Hi, welcome to Calculator Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about how you can change numbers into significant figures, and I will take you through that. So for you to change any number into significant figure, you press on the shift and press on mode. So you see there's some numbers will appear. Now we need significant figure. Now the 7 represent was our significant figure. Now from the significant figure from 0 to 9, that is what I'm trying to tell us. So insignificant figure we should put it from 0 to 9. So let's go by that with the examples here. So now for that, we press on our shift plus our mode, then we'll go to 7. Now what does our question say? 3 significant figures. So we'll press on 3, then we'll put our number 7.0959. Then that is our answer in significant figure. So let's look at the question 2. Shift plus the mode, then we'll press on our 7. Then we want it in 3 significant figures. So we'll press on 3. So we have 5045.00449. Then this is our significant figure. So now let's go to our last one. Press on our shift, then we'll press on our setup, then we'll go to the 7. Now we say 2 significant figures, so we'll press on 2, and then we'll have 0.275. That is our answer. So this is what we've learned today. Now let's go to, after you finish, you need to clear this one from the calculator. So how do you go by that? Now if you leave it this way, that means that you are telling the calculator that anytime you input any number or you work out any answer, you should put it in significant figure, and we don't want that way. So press on the shift and press 9. Then we will press on setup. We will have to clear everything. So press on our A equal to. After you press on AC, you are done. The significant figure is no more on your calculator. Now the second thing you want to learn is how we can change numbers into bases. Now in the calculator, we only have base 2, base 8, base 7, and base 10. Now how do we use these tactics if we want to calculate anything we want? Now for us to do that, we press on the set up button. Now if we press on set up button, you see that some menu have appeared. Now you want in bases. All the other ones, the 1 means complete, 2 means statistics, 3 means equations, 3 means statistics, 4 means number base, 5 means equations, 6 means metrics, 7 means tables, and then 8 means vectors. So we want bases. So we'll press on the 4. Now we see that we've seen 4. Now this one is the default this one, which means that base 10. So any number you input there is already in one base 10. Now the bin is what we want. The bin is in base 2, which is also in our calculator. When you look through this button, you have oct, which is in base 8, hept, which is in base 7, then des, which is in base 10. Now we want to convert this one into base. For example, convert 10012 into base 2 into base 10. Now we have this, which is already in base 2. So we'll press on the bin, which is in what? Base 2. So we'll press on 10011. Press on equal to, that's come here. Now because we want in base 10, we press on this one, the des, which means that it's in what? Base 10. So we'll press on that one. So that means that in base 10, we'll have 1, 9. Let's send it back and see. 10011 equal to, now we want in base 2. So This one in base 2, we press on the bin. This is what it is in base 2. Now, let's look at the second question, which says that subtract 4, 3, 6 base 8 from 1 to 0, 5 base 8. Now, how do you go by this? We press on our shift, we press on our setup, and we'll go to 4. Now, it's in base 8, so we press on this one, the oct, which means that this one is in base 8. So we input our values 1, 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 3, 6 equal to. So our answer is 547. That is how it is. All right. Thank you very much. Now let's go into our third this one. How do we solve quadratic equations using the calculator? Now, for us to check on that question, how to solve it, we'll press on the setup. Now we'll see that it's an equation. So we'll go to the 5. We've seen some equation. Now we'll compare. We have ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we'll come into our calculator and check. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we'll press on the 3. That is our distance. So where are our values? Now we'll have to assign each this one to its value. Now our x means what? Our a. X squared means a. 2x means our b. Then our 3 means our c. That is our constant. So minus 1. After you finish pressing, press equal to 2. Press equal to 3. Press equal to. You press equal to again. So our answers are 3, minus 1, and 3. Now let's go to our second question. 4x squared minus 5x minus 6. So now how do you input this one? Same thing. We'll go by the same procedure. Set up our equation, which is 5. Then press on 3. So we'll input our values. X 4x squared, which we are only inputting the 4, which are the numbers. So now I want the numbers. The a stands for the x squared, b stands for the x, and then the c stands for the constant. So 4 equal to minus 5 equal to minus 6 equal to. So our answers here are 2 and minus 3 over 4. Those are our answers. So let's go by the last one. We'll go by the same procedure. Set up 5, then 3. So we can only use that one for equations like this. So our a is 3, x is minus 10, and this is 8. So press on equal to. So we have x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4 over 3. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't